Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. Today's is the second lecture of chapter sound. In the other lecture we studied about frequency. What is frequency? It is the number of cycles which are produced in 1 second, and I told you that the frequency, that's sound, depends on the frequency of the vibration. Okay, so we had studied about the experiment of those cups. It depends on the height of the water column above the water level. Okay, now what is sound? Sound waves of different frequencies produce different sound notes. You know the different notes of sound in sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Okay, so I told in the same frequency, but there are different frequencies when you learn music. Okay, the frequencies of each and every sound is different. So the sound which we are hearing depends on the frequency of that particular sound. Sound waves of different frequencies produce different sound notes. Now based on this, there are two types of musical instruments: string based and air blown. In string based instruments, there are particular strings. You might have seen example sitar, violin and guitar. There are strings which are tied, okay, with tension, isn't it? So how can you change the sound of those particular stringed instruments? It is by changing the tension, okay, changing the tightness of the particular string or length of the string. By changing that, you can change the sound. That is for stringed instruments. In air blown instruments like flute, shehnai, etc., you have to change the length of the air column, vibrating air column. Okay, there are holes on the flute, you might have seen. So when you close one hole, one or two holes, the particular length of air column changes. So by changing the length of the air column, you can change the sound which is produced by that particular musical instrument. Okay, so there is information about the two types of instruments on page number 106. This is an important question. The question is there in the exercise. Page number 107. There is a diagram given. The different instruments are sitar, flute, santoor, clarinet or shehnai, bugle, tabla, mandolin and saxophone. Okay, so this I will be sending in the notes. You may write it in your notebook, in your textbook, sorry. Next is sound produced in humans. You know about vocal cords. Okay, if you place your finger here, you can feel the vibration. Okay, we are having our vocal cords there. Vocal cord is a particular membrane which is placed in the larynx. Okay, there is a small opening through which the air comes out. Okay, so you might have noticed that when we speak, the air is going out. It is not going in, it is going out. The air from the lungs, when it comes out, it passes through the vocal cords, and due to that particular slit, it produces a sound. Okay, and by increasing or decreasing the tension of the vocal cord, the different frequencies of sound can be produced. Understood? So I will read out, you may see. In humans, sound is produced in the larynx. While swallowing food, we can feel with our finger a hard bump that seems to move. This is nothing but larynx. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. So when the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type of quality of sound is different. So it depends upon the tightness of that particular vocal cord or the string or the membrane if you use in some other instruments. Okay. Now, vocal cords are 20 centimeter in length. You may see there is a box towards the right. You may mark it. Vocal cords are 20 centimeter in length in male, about 15 centimeter in female, and even smaller in children. Thereafter, the voice of male, female, and children are different. So it depends on the length, okay, length, tension of the particular membrane. Now the next topic is sound generation by loudspeaker. First I will explain with the help of the diagram. You may see you are singing through a microphone, through a mic. In the mic, what is happening? Your sound energy is getting converted into electrical energy. That electricity will pass through this wire which is connected to the speaker. Okay, the wire, you may see it is connected to the coil inside. There is a coil inside. There is a coil inside which is placed in between two magnets. Okay, this is a permanent magnet which is present inside the speaker. When the current passes through this coil, okay, when the current passes through this coil, it will act as a magnet and it is placed in a magnetic field. So the coil will start vibrating. Okay, the coil will start vibrating as there are two magnets. Okay, you had studied in the chapter magnetism. The magnetic needle, it shows deflection when the current is passing through the wire, isn't it? Similarly here also the coil will move forward, okay, back and forth. That means forward and backward. That coil will move backward and forward, and according to that it is connected to the screen. The screen will move according to the supply which is coming, and the electricity depends upon the sound which is produced at the microphone end. Okay, when we are producing different frequencies, according to that frequency, the sound is getting converted into electrical energy. So the electrical energy is also having different frequencies. According to that frequency of that electrical energy, this coil will move back and forth, and according to the movement, the screen will move back and forth and it will produce a sound. So the sound is produced due to the vibrations of the screen of the loudspeaker. So we will see page number 108, sound generation by a loudspeaker. You have to mark from, it consists of a permanent magnet. A coil is wound around it, and if a current flows through the coil, it also generates a magnetic field. Till there you have to mark. Then start again in the next paragraph. Depending on the magnetic field created due to the coil moves back and forth. The frequency and amplitude of the movement of the coil depends on the variation in the current flowing through the coil. As the coil moves, the conical screen of the loudspeaker which is attached to the coil also moves back and forth. Mark till there. Now the next paragraph. Due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in air. Okay, that is the answer. I repeat, it consists of a permanent magnet, a coil is wound around it, and if a current flows through the coil, it also generates a magnetic field. Bracket close. Next paragraph, bracket open. Depending on the magnetic field created due to the coil moves back and forth. The frequency and amplitude of the movement of coil depends on the variation in the current flowing through the coil. As the coil moves, the conical screen of the loudspeaker which is attached to the coil also moves back and forth. Bracket complete. In the next paragraph, due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in air. Bracket complete. This is the answer with diagram. Diagram is asked for 2 marks. Figure 15.6. You don't have to draw the diagrams above. Okay, 2 diagrams given above. only the diagram which is given below that you have to draw. Okay, you can feel these vibrations of loudspeaker screen just by gently touching the screen of the loudspeaker which is producing sound. Very loud sound can be produced by using a loudspeaker. Therefore, loudspeakers are used in public places. However, as we have learned last year, if sound level is around 100 decibels, the sound can be harmful to us. Therefore, also, although the loudspeaker can generate very loud sound, there must be a limit to loudness. Okay. So in this chapter, there are different definitions like what is compression, what is rarefaction, what do you mean by frequency, okay, and 2 mark or 3 mark questions like sound produced in humans and sound generation by loudspeaker. You may go through the textbook. If you're having any doubt, you may ask. Thank you.